Okay, so what the heck is this silly thing? Well, this is a schrader core removal tool, replacement tool. I had one for a long time. It kind of got misplaced, so I replaced it. This one's actually a little better than the one I had. This one's Yellow Jacket. It has a side tap on it for putting a micron gauge on. I'm going to show you how this thing works when you want to evacuate a system, but I'm not real thrilled with using these things in evacuation because tools get knocked around, thrown around, gaskets start going bad, and so there's more chances for this thing to leak inside. That said, it's commonly done, and sometimes I'll use it too. But its primary function is to replace schrader cores without losing the refrigerant charge. That's the primary thing these things are for. Now, a couple of things. Okay, there's a schrader tool right there. And it goes in, if I place this in like that, then it will remove the schrader. And I'm going to demonstrate how it works a little bit, but what this does, you can see the schrader removal tool in there. To use this, I pull this back, I close the valve, and then I just screw this on where the schrader is. Now this is tightened down, and when I want to remove the schrader, once I put it on, I simply open this valve, push this in, remove the schrader. You're just unscrewing it, and then go back like this, close the valve, and you can remove and the tool now, because the valve is closed, and the schrader should be on the end. And I'll demonstrate it. All right, I've got a schrader problem. Now you can see it's leaking like a sieve. I've tightened it down, doesn't make any difference. Now you can use an electronic for this too, but I use soap bubbles because it kind of shows what's going on. So what am I going to do? I'm going to demonstrate the schrader removal tool. So I've taken the cap off. I've come down here. You know, it's really a simple tool to use once you've figured it out. Get that down tight. Now I can open this valve, and that'll allow me to push this in. Now getting this into the right spot is a little bit hard. It usually clicks in. And so you just simply unscrew, and you're going to have to be pressing down on it like I'm doing here, because otherwise it's just going to push it out. Now you can hear it right there. When it clicks, that means it's done. So and it should be on the end. Okay, there it is. It's pulled out. Now there's no schrader in this thing at this time, so I'm going to take a new one that I have not let roll around on the ground or anything like that. It's been pretty well protected. Put it in. Close this. Open the valve. Now you're going to start turning this because you should be tightening it in. Okay, I can feel it's gotten tight, so I should have my schrader in. Then the pressure is going to push this out. Close this off. Okay, the schrader's not there, so it has to be inside the machine. I start to take this off. I'm done. Not maybe always quite that simple. Sometimes it has to do it a couple of times before it works, but it's sure a heck of a lot better than dumping the charge just to change a schrader valve. Okay, that's it on the schrader removal tool.